Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create calendar in Google Sheets. If you want to add a clickable calendar pop-up in Google Sheets where users can just click it, this step-by-step guide is for you. This is great for forms, schedulers, and planning. Firstly, highlight the cells where you want users to select a date from a calendar. These could be a column like A2 to A100 or any random range. This selection tells Google Sheets which cells should get the date picker. Now at the top menu bar, click on Data. This is where all the data handling options are stored, and where we'll find our way to add the calendar functionality. In this data menu, choose Data Validation. This feature lets you control what type of data can be entered in selected cells, including dates. Once the Data Validation panel opens on the right, click Add Rule. This is how we tell Google Sheets that rule we want to selected cells. Now under Criteria section, open the drop-down and select Date. By choosing this, Google Sheets will automatically enable the date picker, the calendar pop-up for those cells. Now if you want to make the sheet more user-friendly, toggle on Show Help text for selected cells. Here you can write something like, click to pick a date from the calendar. This little detail makes your spreadsheet more professional and guided. Now once everything's set, just hit Done. Now when anyone clicks on one of the selected cells, a small calendar icon will appear. Clicking that opens the date picker, and you've added an interactive calendar to Google Sheets. No more add-ons or code needed. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.